Hello friends, today we are seeing from the machine learning types of learning. See, there will be the four main types of learning: supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised and reinforcement learning. From that we are seeing the first three: supervised, unsupervised and semi-supervised learning means what? Means firstly, see, supervised learning means what? Is a technique consisting of providing labeled data to a machine learning model. The labeled data set usually data gathered from experience and called as a empirical data. Means in supervised learning morely provided labeled data for the machine learning. For example is given here, wine category is given here, data set of types wine, and after performing supervised learning this type of output will be get to us. Now see, in supervised learning we are using classification and regression techniques. Classification technique is used to classify our inputs in one of the predefined and exhaustive classes. Now the algorithm used for the classification are logistic regression, random forest, decision tree, support vector, k nearest neighbors. Now the regression other hand, that is 1 minute. On the other hand, regression will not give a class as output but a specific value, also called as a forest or predictions. We use a regression model to predict those values based on historical data, not much different than the classification model. Now, the algorithm required for the regression are linear regression, random forest, decision tree, support vector regression, and k nearest neighbors. Now, second one is the unsupervised learning. Now, in unsupervised learning, it is in contrast with the supervised learning. It is used working with unlabeled data. Means it doesn't use labeled information. That's why it's often difficult to obtain such labels from the data. In this unsupervised learning, we are using two techniques: clustering and dimensional reduction. Clustering consists of discovery clusters of similar items based on some of their features. Now, in the clustering, there are two types of algorithms are used: k-means and hierarchical clustering. Dimensionally reduction refers to the number of dimensions in a data set. For example, dimension can represent feature or variable. They describe entities in the data set. In the dimensionally reduction, we are using four types of algorithm: principal component, linear discriminant analysis, generalized discriminant analysis, kernel principal component analysis. Now third one and last one is the semi supervised learning. In this learning, both labeled and unlabeled data sets are used. Since both parts are used, the technique is often used when labeling or the data or gathering labeled data is too difficult or too expensive. The part of the data labeled can also be of bad quality. If we take medical imaging to detect cancer, having doctors labeling the dataset is very expensive task. Finally, this technique of machine learning has proven to the performance good accuracy even if it is dataset uh, partially labeled. And last one is the reinforcement learning. In this learning learns exclusively from a series of reinforcement. Those can be positive or negative relations to the goal. It's not very important. Means in this topic only three are important in learning. And finally, this model evolve with the each action and rewards to per batch of actions and rewards. So hope so all of you are understanding what will be the types of machine learning and what's the content of it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. So thank you very much all of you, and please share, like the and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.